Hello kids, welcome to Dikshansh EduTech. I am Deepa, your English subject teacher. Today I am going to teach you class LKG English. Today topic is sound of vowel O. The phonic sound is O. O. Okay, now next. There are 5 vowels in English alphabet. What are they? A, E, I, O, U. Today we learn O sound, new words and sentences. आज हम बच्चों O sounds के new sentence और word read and learn सीखेंगे. And the phonic sound is O is O. O. Okay. Short vowels O sound words. Here we learn short vowels O sound words. Okay. B O X. B plus ox. Box. P O P. P plus O P. Pop. C O T. C plus O T. Cot. 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 The phonic sound is cot. M O P. M plus O P. Mop. Mop. F O X. For. F phonic sound is for plus O X. Fox. Okay. P O T. P plus O T. Phonic sound is P. Pot. Pot. O. Pot. The pronunciation is pot. Okay. H O P. H O P. Hop. Hop. H O P. What? Hop. L O G. L O G. What? L O G. L plus og. Log. Log. D O G. D plus O G. Og. Dog. Okay. Read one again. B O X. Box. P O P. Pop. C O T. Cot. M O P. What? Mop. F O X. Fox. P O T. Pot. H O P. Hop. L O G. Log. Okay. D O G. Dog. This is what? This is short vowels O sound words. Okay. Now we read here OG family word. Here we read OG family word. OG og. OG g og. OG g g og. Okay. Here we read OG og family word. Okay children. D O G. D pronunciation D. Og. Dog. D O G. Dog. This is pet animal. L O G. L O G. Log. This is log. J O G. J J. O G. Jog. J O G. Jog. H O G. H O G. What? H plus O G. Hog. 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 This is pig. F O G. F for O G. Og. For plus og. Fog. Okay. Then C O G. C pronunciation K. Og. Cog. Okay. This is cog. Part of wheel. Okay. Cog. Read one again. Children. D O G. Dog. L O G. Log. J O G. Jog. H-O-G, hog. This is pig. F-O-G, fog. Okay, this is foggy day. Fog. C-O-Z, og. Cog. Okay, now next. Here we read OT, family word. OT, ot. Okay, C-O-T. C means co. Ot. Cot. Okay, this is cot. D, O, T, dot. D plus O, T, dot. This is dot. Okay, then G, pronunciation G. G plus O, T, ot. G-O-T, got. Here we read what? Got. Okay, and H-O-T, H, phonic sound, ha. O-T, ot. H-O-T, hot, means girl. Okay, hot. Then L-O-T, L-O-T, lot. L-O-T, lot. Okay, lot. P-O-T, 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 pot. This is pot. Okay, T-O-T, 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 tot. R-O-T, this is rotten apple. R-O-T, R plus O-T, rot. Read one again. C-O-T, yes, cot. D-O-T, dot. G-O-T, got. H-O-T, hot. Okay, L-O-T, lot. P-O-T, this is pot. T-O-T, tot. R-O-T, rot. Yes, here we read O-T family word. Here we learn O-T family word. Okay, now next. Here we learn OX words and okay, and learn OX word. OX, ox. OX, ox. OX, ox. B plus OX. B means b. Phonic sound it means, phonic sound is B for b. B, ox, box. This is box. Okay. OX, ox. This is ox. F-O-X, for plus O-X, what? Think, fox. Yes, this is fox. This is F-O-X, fox. Read one again. B-O-X, B plus ox, box. O-X, ox. And F-O-X, fox. Yes. Now next. Here we learn OP family word. OP, op. OP, op. Okay, OP means op. CH plus OP. CH, ch. Op, chop. This is chop, cutting of wood. This is chop. MOP, M plus OP, the phonic sound is mop. MOP, mop. This is mop. Okay. SH, what is the phonic sound of SH? Yeah, sh. S plus OP, shop. This is shop. Okay. Then P, P-O-P, op, pop. This is pop. C-R-O-P, crop. This is crop. C-R, crop, crop. T-O-P, T plus O-P, what? Yes, top. This is top. P-R-O-P, P-R, prop. This is prop. H-O-P, hop. This is jumping position, hop. H means ha plus O-P, hop. S-T-O-P, stop. Stop plus O-P, stop. This is stop. Okay. D-R-O-P, D-R, drop, op. Drop plus op, drop. Yes, this is drop position. Okay. Then C-O-B, cop. C-O-B, what? Cop. Read one again, children. C-H-O-P, chop. M-O-P, mop. S-H-O-P, shop. P-O-P, pop. C-R-O-P, crop. T-O-P, top. P-R-O-P, prop. S-T-O-P, stop. H-O-P, hop, jumping. D-R-O-P, drop. And C-O-P, cop. Okay, now next. O-B, ob. O-B, here we read and learn O-B, of family word. Okay. C-O-B, C-O-B what? C-O-B, cop plus O-B, cop. This is cop. Okay. H-O-B, H plus O-B, ob, hop. H-O-B, hob. K-N-O-B, K-N, nop. This is nop. Okay. J-O-B, J plus O-B, job. This is job. R-O-B, R plus O-B, rob. This is rob. S plus O-B, sop. This is shop. Read one again. C-O-B, what? Cob. J-O-B, job. M-O-B, mob. H-O-B, hob. R-O-B, rob. S-O-B, sob. K-N-O-B, knob. Okay, here we learn O-B, op sound. Okay, words. Now here we read O-G, O-D and O-P words. Okay, O-G, og, O-D, odd. O-P, op. Here we revise og, odd and op. Family word. Okay. Read it. D-O-G, D plus O-G. Yes, dog. F-O-G, fur plus O-G. Fog. Yes. H plus O-G. H pronunciation. H plus O-G. Hog. Yes. T-O-G, T plus O-G. Tog. Yes, this is tog. L-O-G, L plus O-G, log. Okay, D-O-G, dog. F-O-G, fog. H-O-G, hog. T-O-G, tog. And L-O-G, log. Then O-D, odd. R-O-D, R plus O-D, rod. N-O-D, nod. C-O-D, cod. G-O-D, God. And P-O-D, pot. Okay. R plus O-D, rod. N plus O-D, nod. K plus O-D, cod. G plus O-D, God. P-O-D, pot. P plus O-D. And O-P. Here we read O-P family word. Op. T plus O-P, T plus O-P, top. M plus O-P, mop. P-O-P, P plus O-P, pop. H-O-P, what phonic sound? H plus op, hop. L plus O-P, what? Lop. Yes, lop. Here we learn O sounds words. Okay. Now here we learn O sounds sentences. Okay. The said, F-O-X, fox. Read it. I-S-E-E-C-A, fox. I-C-A, what? P plus O-X, fox. Okay. T-H-E, the F-O-X, fox is sad. The fox is what? Sad. The fox is sad. Okay. The F-O-X, fox is in the B-O-X, B plus ox, क्या होगा? यस, बॉक्स. फॉक्स कहाँ बैठा है? बॉक्स में. ओके, द फॉक्स इज इन द बॉक्स. ओके, I see a fox. The fox is sad. The fox is in the box. Okay, the fox is in the box sitting. Okay, now next. Read the sentences. O sound. Okay, then match it to the right picture. A F-R-O-G, frog, sat on a L-O-G, log. The frog sat on a log. Where the picture is? The frog sat on a log. This is log, and this is the picture of frog. Match it. The frog sat on a log. Yes. लकड़ी पर बैठा है फ्रॉग. ए डॉग, DOG, डॉग, SAT, सेट, ON, ऑन, ए लॉग. ए डॉग सेट ऑन ए log. Okay, where the picture of a dog? Yes, here. A dog sat on a log. This is the picture of what? DOG, dog. A fox sat on a POT, pot. Where the fox sitting? On a pot. This is the picture of fox, and this one is the picture of pot. We match it? Yes. Now, next. Here OT word family, okay, and choose the correct picture and then circle it. This is sun and give us hot. This is not pot. This one is hot, okay. Circle it. This one is correct. HOT, hot. And this is black, dot. This one is dot. DOT, dot. And this is made by wood, and this is cot, not hot. COT, cot. COT, cot. And this is brown color, what? Where we grow plants? Yes, dot. No, this is not dot. This is, yes, pot. Gamla hai, pot. And meet OT family word. Here we match it. Okay, look at the picture and then match it. HCOT, cot, HOT, hot, POT, pot, DOT, dot, and ROT, rot. Okay, this is the picture of what? Cot. Okay, HOT, hot. This is the picture of hot. Okay, sun give us heat. Here, POT, pot. This one is pot. And DOT, dot. Red spot is dot. And ROT, rot. This one is rotten fruits and vegetable. Okay. Now, next. Correct. Choose the correct word for each picture. Look at the picture first. What is this? This one is DOG, dog. Dog is an animal, na? Dog is an animal. This is cog, machine part. Okay. This is part of a wheel, cog. Okay. This one is piece of wood, JOG, jog, or LOG, log. This one is log, LOG, log. Okay. This one, our pet animal, FOG, fog. No, this is dog. Yes, wow, wow. And this is log. No, this one is car picture. And here, grey color. This one is FOG, fog. Okay. And here the action word, cog or jog. Yes, jogging posture. This one is jog. JOG, jog. Okay. OT words. Okay, here we filling the blanks. OT word. Okay, the pan is what? Yes, garam hai, hot. HOT, this one is hot. Tom is on the, this one is what? This is cot. COT, cot. COT, cot. Put it in the pot. POT, pot. POT, pot. I have dash a pet cat. I have what? Got. GOT. क्या होगा बच्चों? Got. GOT, got. उसे अपना पैट कैट मिल गई है तो got. Sam is sad. No, not. NOT, not. Okay, not sad. Then read the sentences. The pan is what? The pan is hot. गरम है. The Tom is on the cot. खटिये में है. Cot. Okay. Put it on the pot. This is pot. I have got a cat. उसे अपनी बिल्ली मिल गई है. Sam is not sad. आज Sam sad नहीं है. I am not sad. I am happy. Okay. Now next. Match the picture with correct word. This is the picture of what? हाँ, पोछा लगता है. क्या है ये? Mop. And this is the portion of hop. And this is pop. And this one is round and round. Yes, top. Spelling of mop. MOP. Where mop? Written here. Yes. And hop. Spelling HOP. Yes. Then POP. Pop. And this one top. We match it easy way. Okay. Match the word with the pictures. Look at the picture, then match it. Okay. Here we look at the pictures and then match with the words. Okay. This is the picture, SU and sun, and give us hit. What we call? Hot. Yes. This is box. This is dog, and this one is what? Pot. This is cup. Fox. This one is the picture of what? Piece of wood. Yes. Log. This is pop. This is jog. And this one is mop. MOB what? Mop. Okay. Where is the picture of mop? पोछा लगाने वाले का कहाँ है picture? Yes. Okay. POP. 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 This one is the picture of pop. COB, cop. Corn. BOX, box. FOX, look, fox animal. Yes, this is. POT, what? Pot. This is the picture of pot. HOT, hot. This is the picture of hot. DOG, dog, pet animal, and LOG, log, piece of wood, and JOG, jogging position. JOG, jog. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. Today we enjoy O sounds, new words and sentences. Okay. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you.